Discover how 3D printing is tackling fast fashion's environmental toll. 1. Waste reduction. Precise production methods eliminate excess materials, significantly cutting down on industry waste. 2. On-demand manufacturing. 3D printing allows for smaller, custom runs, reducing overproduction and unsold inventory. 3. Sustainable materials. Biodegradable and recyclable options ensure eco-friendly production without compromising quality. 4. Energy efficiency. Streamlined manufacturing processes consume less energy, minimizing the carbon footprint of each pair. Step into a sustainable future today at 3dshoes.com.